Hey guys, this is Joe with Homebrew Happy Hour. Today we're going to do an unboxing and assembly video for the ANVIL Foundry brewing system. This is the 10.5 gallon model, and we did get the one with the recirculation system as well. So that should be included as well. They also have a 6.5 gallon version, and they are available without the recirculation systems or kits if you do want it that way. They also sell those kits separately, so you can always upgrade later on. But let's get to cracking it open. So we're going to kind of go through what all comes with the ANVIL Foundry kit, and then we'll get to assembling it. First off, you'll have the main body, the unit here, and this is pretty much exactly how it comes. So we will need to assemble the ball valve lever. That does not come assembled. And you notice this is a little bit loose, so we will need to assemble some other items with that. This will go inside for the dip tube, and tightening that on will secure that fully. This is the grain basket where you put your grain for your mash, and it also has the support ring which goes in there underneath the lid. Once you're done with your mash, this rests on that support ring so you can continue to do your sparge and try to flush the rest of those sugars out of your grain. Here's the pump for the recirculation kit. This is recirculate your wort as you're mashing using this high temperature hose clamps, the tube that actually reaches in to do the recirculation, and a perforated top to kind of help spread that wort around. It also comes with a hose clamp here so you can fine tune the flow of that recirculation. The Foundry system also comes with a chilling system or immersion chiller. So you've got a stainless steel immersion chiller, tubing, and it also comes with the garden hose fitting with clamps. So pretty much all inclusive there. That pretty much wraps up everything that is included. Next thing we'll do is go ahead and assemble everything together and get it ready for our brew day. Hey guys, so we're almost ready to brew. The last thing we're gonna do is get our recirculation kit hooked up, and then we'll add some water and get it heating up. So I've already got these clamps pretty well in place. We're just gonna go ahead and cinch these down. One thing I should mention is this hose did come as one piece, so I just did maybe about a foot cut, and then that way you can have coming in and then coming out of the pump. We've got it plugged in. Next thing you would do is just go ahead and turn it on once you have your water in there, and that's gonna create the recirculation. Obviously, once you open up the ball valve, it'll allow it to flow into the pump, and then it'll get kicked right back up here.